Not all employee benefits are created equal. Some drive loyalty, engagement, and retention, whilst others quietly drain your budget with little or no impact. The secret is knowing which benefits your employees actually value. Welcome back to HR Analytics and Rewards Lab. On this channel, we simplify HR analytics and rewards for professionals like you. Today on this channel, we will be focusing on the benefits employees actually value and how to know what is working. Today, we will explain the basics, that is the core benefits versus optional benefits. The core benefits are simply your essentials. These are your HMOs, pension, paid leaves, group life. They are hygiene factors. Your employees naturally expect these benefits. Optional benefits, on the other hand, are your differentiators. These are the gym memberships you offer, the flexi work arrangement, mental wellness programs, learning stipends, wedding support, childcare support, spousal allowances, and even pet insurance in some markets. Now, here's where many organizations get it wrong. They assume what's valuable instead of measuring what's actually valuable to employees. Now, here is where analytics comes in. You should track your benefits uptake rates. How many people actually use what you are paying for? Collect employee feedback data through pulse surveys or annual benefits satisfaction surveys. Then you use these insights to identify low impact benefits and you can replace them with more meaningful ones. For example, if only 5% of your workforce uses a meal allowance, but 60% express interest in hybrid work support or wellness reimbursement, your data is telling you exactly where to pivot. But ensure to add demographic and location layers. Younger employees naturally may value flexi work and learning credits, whilst older employees they tend to lean towards retirement benefits and healthcare. Analytics can help you segment your insights. You can even build a benefit value index that compares usage, satisfaction, and cost effectiveness across programs to guide future decisions. This turns benefit planning from guesswork to data-backed strategy. When employees feel their benefits truly reflect their needs and life stage, it is not just HR that wins. Your entire company's ecosystem, your entire employer brand does. So stop offering everything. Start offering what matters and use your data to prove it. So if you like what we have just discussed here today, please subscribe to this channel for more HR analytics insights.